Hi, I am Greta and I'm a research and development scientist here at IonOpticks. My role is to develop and improve nanoflow chromatography columns, and together with product development team, we improve our manufacturing processes, also scaling up them and so on. Yeah. Every day is really different from one another. One day I would be working in a lab doing experiments, and the other day I would sit in front of the computer analyzing the data, having discussions with my colleagues. But I really enjoy this variety because it helps me to learn more in proteomics field. The aspect that excites me the most in my job is knowing that our columns are making groundbreaking results in proteomics and especially in cancer research. Just knowing that you put so much time into those columns, evolving them, making them perfect, doing so much quality control tests. And this column just goes to the researchers, and with this tool, they make such a good, groundbreaking results. That keeps me motivated every day. Good chromatography is when you are seeing those sharp and high-intensity peaks. You can achieve that with our columns. With our columns, you can get really great coverage. Especially with our frontier, you can achieve over 10,000 protein IDs, and right now we are at the top of the market. For sure, I know that I want to be in proteomics because it's such a evolving and interesting science field. I would love to maybe stay with IonOpticks or go in academics and do more groundbreaking research on cancer research and so on. This is where I would see myself in 5 to 10 years. I think cancer research is so important because most of the families in the world have been affected by that, and it's such a hard disease on people, and I would love to work on that someday.